Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your birthday on your account on Roblox on account information settings, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click account information, and here as you see you can manage it, you can change your birthday, and that's it. That's how to manage your birthday settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.